In this video, we will learn the flow of order return in Hyperlocal. The customer will first return the order from the user app by clicking the account button in lower right corner. Then we will click on My Orders to view our order history. Then we will click on the product that we want to return. But before returning the order, we will have to specify the reason for returning the product. So for now, I am writing item totally different. Now from the seller panel, the seller will approve the return request by clicking on the return orders, then return request. The seller can also add a node if they want. Once the order is approved, the delivery partner will be notified about the pickup in the app. And then the delivery partner will accept the pickup.